Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I just wanted to do a quick screen replacement on an iPhone 6. This is the iPhone 6 I purchased about 2 months ago, and it's running iOS 8.3. It came with a cracked screen, so everything still worked fine on it, so I just wanted to replace the screen so it's good enough for my collection here. And iPhone 6 and 6S, they're pretty easy to change the screen on, or maybe I just have too much experience doing them. But so just a quick screen change. Now unfortunately this iPhone 6 appears to have some issues because I noticed that it was running a little bit slow. So I know beforehand, so I know that it's not the screen that caused any issue, but it appears that maybe the baseband on the actual device is going bad because it was running really slow. So I'll show you that later on in the video. So right here, what you're seeing me do is replace the Touch ID home button, taking it from the old screen and putting it in the new screen. And from there, it's pretty much putting it back on and turning everything on and making sure it works. And anyway, I'll get back into the video here. So just to show you what I mean here, I did just do the slide to unlock, and this is running pretty much the first version of iOS for this phone, so it really shouldn't be slow, but it is running really slow. And as you can see, the settings hasn't loaded yet. Just to unlock the screen took a long time. Yeah, just doing basic tasks does not work really well. When I turn on the cellular, up here it'll show searching rather than saying no SIM, because there's not a SIM card in this phone. And it did do a couple of random reboots yesterday. I don't know what the problem is with it here, but from what I've heard, it is a baseband issue possibly, or an issue with the flash storage itself. So it's really unfortunate. I mean, I'm going to keep the phone because it does have iOS 8, and I don't think anyone wants a broken phone. Maybe I'll fix it in the future or find a way to fix it, but it's disappointing that I replaced the screen on this just to have this. Yeah, it just doesn't want doesn't want to work very well. I was able to hard reboot it at one point and it worked fine, and it actually let me go to websites and type things in without any lag. But now it's just back to the way it was. So it seems to be hit or miss. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this isn't really the best video, but just a quick screen change, and unfortunately the phone is kind of going out on me here, but I thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please leave me a like, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and I try to bring as much content as I can. Definitely leave me a comment if you have any suggestions for things you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.